Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Callie and this is my YouTube channel dedicated to all things nails and good vibes. If you'd like to see 2 new videos every week, then definitely hit the subscribe button and the notification bell because I post 2 new videos every week on Tuesdays and Fridays. So today's video is a collab with Restored by Polish with Krista and Jacqueline. Today we're sharing some back to school manicures and we're each coming up with some different designs for the video. So for my video, these are going to be really easy, simple, kind of trendy, so I'm really excited to share these with you. They are so pretty. I'm super happy with how these 3 turned out. They're really simple and they're really fun for school, so whether you like wearing something a little bit more minimal or classic, or you want to have some fun with your nails during school, then you have some really good options. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So for all the designs today, you will need a base coat, a top coat, a dotting tool, bobby pin, or toothpick, a cleanup nail art brush, or you could use a cotton swab, and some nail polish remover. First, I'll be showing you this really fun negative space floral manicure. I really like how this one turned out. So first you'll need a white polish or a cream polish, a light yellow polish, or any yellow polish really, and optionally you'll also need a green polish. And then just grab a dotting tool, toothpick, or bobby pin. So to start, you'll want to kind of make a circle of flowers around your nail, so kind of around the perimeter of your nail. And depending on how long your nails are, you can change up the size of the flowers or how many you include. So for this, I really wanted to keep it very simple. So I did about 4 or 3 dots for each flower, and some of them I connected in the middle, but some I just kind of left a space since I was going to add the yellow dot anyway. And you can add more or less petals, like I said, depending on the size of your nail, and you can totally do this with a toothpick or a bobby pin. Here I'm just using my dotting tool, which is actually quite messy, but any household tool like that will work perfectly fine, and you can totally create this look at home. It's very simple. So once you're finished with putting the flowers around the perimeter of your nail, just let that dry for a few minutes, and then go back in with your yellow polish and just add a dot to the center. And also, I'm very aware that this kind of looks like fried eggs, so that's why I decided to add the leaves to some of them, but if you wanted to change that, you could change the color of the flower or something. So I didn't really like how the leaves looked, but if you do like how that turned out, you can totally add that as well. So let me know which way you like it better, with or without the leaves. But yeah, I think a different color would probably make this look less like eggs. But anyway, that's this first manicure, and I'm really happy with how it turned out. Next we have a trendy salon manicure. This is actually one of my favorites and I can't wait to share it with you. So for this one, you'll just need a cream polish and a sparkly glitter polish of your choice. Any polishes will do. So this is super simple. All you'll need to do is apply a few coats of each polish to your nails, and I decided to share this tip with you just because I think it can really help your nails look like they were done at a salon. So all you'll need to do to achieve an even more salon-like look is to especially clean up the edges of your nails when you're done painting your polish so that you have kind of a clean, very thin border around your nail polish and your skin. So I recommend using a cleanup brush for that, or you could use a Q-tip. So the other thing you'll want to do is, depending on the color you're using, you'll want to add an extra coat of polish. So this polish here only needs 2 coats to be opaque usually, but I like to add 3 because it kind of thickens the polish a bit so it looks thicker on your nail. And just be careful with this, like make sure you leave enough time between coats for it all to dry so it doesn't get thick and chip, but you do want just a little bit of thickness on your nail because it really helps it look like you got them done in a salon. So you can also add some glitter as an accent nail. This is actually one of my favorite polish combinations ever. I did a manicure like this a couple months ago and I absolutely loved it, so highly recommend this one, and it's a really fun and easy look. Our last design is a neutral Ombre Skittles manicure. This one is really fun. For the video, since I'm only showing you 4 nails, I only have 4 neutral polishes, but you will need 5 neutral polishes of your choice, and this is 1 for each nail, as you might have guessed. So here I'm just using some polishes from the new Olive and June fall collection. There were really nice neutral shades in that collection, but you can use any that you want. I decided to go with these shades just because they're very minimal, and if you're not a fan of a lot of color on your nails for school, then these are some good options. So this one is super simple. All you'll need to do is apply 2 to 3 coats of each polish on your nails, letting them dry in between, of course. But that's seriously it. This is so trendy and really simple. And again, like I said, if you're not a fan of a lot of color on your nails, this is a really nice option that looks really chic and elegant, and it's just really fun. I like this one. And then if you did want to do more of a colorful Skittles manicure, or maybe a monochrome look with a different color, that would be really cool too. So there's a lot of options with this type of manicure, and I think it's a really fun manicure. So that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and let me know in the comments which of these 3 was your favorite. If you do end up recreating any of these manicures for your heading back to school, then definitely share on Instagram with hashtag #look360nails so I can see, and I'll repost it and share with our community, and that'll be really fun. So once again, definitely go check out Krista and Jacqueline's video and subscribe to their channel. The links will be in the description box down below. And I really can't wait to see what nail art they came up with as well. So be sure you check that out before you go. And if you're new here from their channel, welcome. I hope you stick around. Like I said, 2 new videos every week. And we've got some really fun videos coming your way this September and even October. I've already got so many ideas for lots of fall videos, and actually I have a ton of swatch and review videos coming very soon, and I'm really excited about all of them, so definitely keep your eyes out for those. Also, if you're interested in any of these polishes, then definitely check the description box because I will have links for them or links to ones similar. And also, just a side note, because I did use some Olive and June polishes in this video, if you liked any of those, I do have a referral link in the description box now for, I believe it's $10 off your first order of 50 from Olive and June, just in case you needed that. That's where it is. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you back here very soon with another video. Same nail time, same nail channel. Have a polished rest of your day. Bye!